Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how to send money to your Wise account. So let's jump right into it. First, you need to log into your Wise account. Once you're on your home dashboard, click the Send button. After clicking, you'll see your account details. Now, enter the amount you want to send, for example, 40 euros. Next, choose your payment method. You can select from options like debit card, bank transfer, or others. In this example, I'm choosing a debit card. Now, click the Add Recipient button. This will take you to the next step where you need to add recipient details. You can select from options like Find by Wise Bank Details or Bank Transfer. Let's say we choose Bank Transfer. Next, select who the recipient is: yourself, someone else, a business, or a charity. In this case, I'm choosing someone else. Now, enter the recipient's account details: email, full name, BSB code, and account number. Once you've filled in all the details, tap Continue. Wise will now ask how you'd like to pay. You can choose a credit card, debit card, manual bank transfer, or another method like Ideal, and that's it, your transfer is ready.